Class 4, Lesson 2, The Spider and the Fly. It's book exercise. First of all, tick the correct option. Who said, will you walk into my parlor? Who said, spider? The spider was cunning. The spider said to the fly that he had little looking glass. According to the spider, what kind of wings did the fly have? Ozzy. Now fill in the blanks. First answer is spider, pantry, stable, trapped, dragged. Now very short answer. Who said to ask me is in vain? The little fly. Answer is the little fly. What did the spider ask fly to rest upon? So his answer is the spider asked fly to rest upon his little bed. What happens to insect that sleep upon the bed of the spider? Its answer is they never wake again who sleep. ये मैंने डैश डाले इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ से ये लाइन आ जाएगी. स्लीप के बाद क्या आ जाएगा? अपॉन द बेड ऑफ द स्पाइडर. शुड वी गिव आर हीड टू फ्लैटरिंग वर्ड्स? नो वी शुड नॉट गिव के बाद ये जो मैंने अंडरलाइन करा इसका आंसर ये आ जाएगा. नाउ short answer. What did the spider do to serve dinner to the fly? Its answer. The spider wove a subtle web in a little corner and set his table ready to dine upon the fly. Now second. How did the spider compare the eyes of the fly with his own ones? Its answer पेज नंबर 13. ये रहा आपका आंसर, ये आएगा. देखिए इधर से आप ये आ जाएगा कम योर ऑफ जहाँ से योर आइज़ आर लाइक डायमंड ब्राइट बट माइन आर डल एज लेड. ठीक है, ये सेकंड का आंसर है. नाउ थर्ड. Why did the spider go into the den? Its answer is this one. The spider went into the den because he knew, ये न्यू लिखा है, knew well that the silly fly would soon back again to his den. Now long questions. Why did the spider sing the song? Its answer is the spider sang the song for the fly to trap her in his web and take his meal. Now second answer. What was the song that was sung by the spider? पेज नंबर 13. ये जो सेकंड का शॉर्ट नोट था उससे ऊपर वाली लाइन है, यहाँ से लेके ये पूरा आपकी 3 लाइन्स आ जाएंगी. ये उसने सॉन्ग गाया था, ये 3 लाइन्स आ जाएंगी. Now third long. What lesson have you learned from this poem? तो इसका आंसर भी 13 पेज पर है, लास्ट पैसेज है. तो इससे पहले हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे वी शुड नॉट गिव हीड टू इडल सिली फ्लैटरिंग वर्ड्स. देन आफ्टर लिखेंगे, जिसको मैंने अंडरलाइन करा वो लिखना है, एंड अनटू एन एबल काउंसलर क्लोज हार्ट एंड ईयर एंड आइज is your answer. Now thank you.